Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:31 p.m. December 3rd, 2020, Thursday. Boeing. Vaccine news at the end of the day. Pretty wild stuff. Great day. One of my best days in a long time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and get involved on the channel. I appreciate that. Hope everyone had a good day as well. It is Thursday, almost the end of the week. Momentum was up until the end of the day when Pfizer decided to say, we don't have enough rollout, whatever it's called, to get all the vaccines out to where it needs to go, probably by half. So that changed everything on the look of the markets. SPX closed pretty much flat. NASDAQ 27 and the Dow Industrial so 85. We did make some highs, all-time highs earlier, just before that news, which was around 3:30, and that opened up some new trades. So I got off to a rough start, actually. I took this stupid, what was it, F-Tech? I don't even know what it is. F-Tech. I was looking for the break of the 450 on this particular move. I don't even know why I was waiting for 450. It was a bad call by me. I should have taken the opening price of 436 instead of the 450. Or was it? Where did it go to 453? That's a good question. I need to look at this. Look, high a day is 444. High a day is 450. And it says here high a day is 453. That's interesting. So as it was popping through 450, I bought 1,000 shares and it just ripped in my face. It never actually triggered. So it was a non-trade really, but I took it anyway by accident, I guess. And I lost $130 to start the day on 1,000 shares. You know, it dropped, 17 or whatever you call it, 13 cents, which is quite a bit for a $4 stock. But then I got my feet wet again and I checked out F-Cell. F-Cell was doing this move through 8, took another 1,000 shares, and I got some off, made about $50 on the trade, went through 8, got a high of 813. I actually got some off at 813, but most of it was at break even. I was looking for it to make its way up to like 830 or 840, but not even close. I think EV and all the energy plays were just doing some pop and drops after yesterday, and actually a lot of them faded. So you had like XPEV, right? XPEV daily, boom, down, all this downward move. NEO was watching, it just kind of fell off, ended up down 5-6%. Things like that. All the EV and energy plays were just not where it was at today. The stock I really liked today was Boeing. And I actually liked it. I'm going to go to a 2-minute here. So I'm down like, we'll call it $70 at the time. It made its move through, it opened at 228.30. Perfect. I wanted it at 228. It flushed down to around 226.53. This is 2-minute time frame, but there was definitely plenty of time for me to take the 228 back through. And it just came through 228 and just crushed it. I mean, it never looked back. I mean, here's 228.52 as a low, and it just never looked back. I was looking to go with 200 shares on that one because it was an early play, and I've had issues with early plays on Boeing. So, but I missed it. I completely missed it. But then I saw this one. Okay, so then I saw 233 line up, and I got in at 233, 300 shares. Right, boom. It was a little bit more extended than I wanted to be, so I took some off. I took more off, and I was trying to hold some. And I held some, but I definitely sold a little too. I sold way too soon. Ended up getting a 9-point move. What did I say? 233 to 242 high. 9-point move. I actually got in at 233 exactly. And here's my that's my final sale at the end of the day with like a minute left. But this sell down here, right here, let me see if I can bring this over, is 5 shares, 242. 242. What do you see up here? High a day is 242. I sold 5 shares at the top. 5 shares at the top, 9-point move, 9-point move on those particular 5 shares. So this was a $500 trade for me today. Just a monster, really nice, and I was pretty excited about it. I wish obviously I held more in those first initial moves. I was looking for, a point, and I sold probably 50 at 50 cents, and then 25 or 50 at $1, and then I was selling 25 every $1 or so after that. Really solid Boeing move today. I was getting the news. The daily looks great. End of the day, I was expecting it to go break the 242, but then that news came out, which is vaccine related, which is the anti-airline. It caused it to drop off, and that's my last sell. It was at 237, like 5 points below that. I was going to not even sell those 5 shares, but I'm glad I did. It's 5 points. It's extra $25. So that pretty much wrapped up most of my day. I liked in the morning, I want to discuss this one, Lemonade. We've talked about this in the past. I think it deals with insurance. Really hard to get in this one because it's low volume. Well, low volume. 9. What was it? Right here. This break here was the trade going through the 69 level. Just wasn't paying attention enough, and it just ripped. 69 made a high of 83. Just a beauty. So if you guys caught Lemonade, let me know. Look at this daily. Look at this volume on the daily. It's a tough trader. You can get spready and stuff, but this was a nice particular trade. And at the end of the day, with that news that Pfizer was going to have a reduced amount of vaccines, I was hearing MRNA. But at the time, like 153 level, people were getting in it, which was perfect. Actually went to 160 in after hours. I was already looking at NVAX, and I was looking at NVAX through 130 here. It flushed down, so I never got in the 130 move, but then it flushed down here near the end of the day, and then all of a sudden start rocketing. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get into the 130. So I got in the 130, but also my computer again acted slow, so I was getting sluggish. So when I was using the matrix, I was putting my orders in, right? I was only in for 100 shares, and I ended up getting $50 on a point. I don't know how high it went. 130, 142. I don't know why it's saying 132. Something's off on this. This is weird. Maybe because I closed the platform and it's picking up some other data. I cleared the cache and everything, so that could be the issue. But here, 130, 142. I did get some off at 131.03. Nice trade to close out the day. This is the last 5 minutes of the day, which is really nice to have a trade at the end of the day. Kind of leave your platform in good condition, so to speak. So I was able to nail it. Give me a second. So with that early loss on that FTech, and I was able to gain 471 today in total. Nice day. I'm really happy. Close out this Thursday on the winning side. So make sure you guys do the same, I hope, and keep me informed of how your trading's going, how the platform's going, what platform you're using, etc., etc. And I will be back tomorrow to close out the week. You guys make sure you subscribe as well, like the video, share the video, and comment, and we will continue this journey. And hopefully it continues, because this has been good. It's been a good week, good month so far, and I'm looking forward to continuing, staying humble, and finding the good setups. So have a good one.